What's up guys, this is my Fiend embryo frame by Chick. Obviously got the Fiend embryo frame in 20.5, pretty key. Fiend embryo forks, which are oddly a different colour than the frame. A Primo Infrared front hub, those two a Cinema 777 rim with bent spokes and one or two snapped ones. The ones that are silver were snapped. And then really old premium CK tires, 2.4. Primo plastic pegs, on the right are V2s and on the left are not V2s. Fiend cranks, which I broke one of the bolts, which I don't know what that did, but it doesn't seem to matter. A KMC 710 chain, it says cool on it, so on the box anyway, so yeah. A Cult Counterculture pivotal seat post, I just scratched because I broke that bolt 3 times. Demolition Market pivotal seat, which is nice and squishy. A Demolition Rotator free coaster hub in the back with the 777 cinema rim, and CK tire, I don't know what tubes, a Demolition Rotator hub guard and 2 hub guards in the front because they came free, and obviously twisted PC pedals, and a random bottom bracket and kink headset, and Colt AK grips, which are my second pair, they're awesome. Odyssey power ends in red, a Fiend Cat Reynolds stem, and Merit Brad Sims bars in 8.5 but 29.5 wide, and my pegs are the 4-inch versions, and an Animal Sprocky Baba 23 tooth sprocket, which is very small. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks.